The web is packed with data and benefits of blockchain, particularly in the digital currency world. For sure, blockchain stages bring massive potential with a great deal of benefits to the table, particularly as far as security and speed of information move for the digital currency portion of the overall industry. In any case, with regards to meeting the openness issues on different decentralized applications, blockchain has its limits. Indeed, even the arrangements like evidence of stake and verification of work agreement instruments have their limitations. Look at the coin subtleties before we leap to nitty-gritty holochain cost expectation. Here comes the job of dispersed record innovation that overrides the whole range of blockchain-based arrangements, giving responses to all questions that up to this point stayed unanswered. Dispersion, stockpiling, and handling of information can change how we coordinate and interface through the organization. It came into the market over the eco-interaction that occurred around April 2018. This facilitating innovation can be utilized in various regions. Holochain, the structure. The contrast among holochain and holo is that holochain makes a circulated web stage with client independence that has been fabricated straightforwardly into its engineering and conventions feasible for facilitating. Holo hot organization conveyed web innovation is an out-and-out various organization idea that individuals most frequently mistake for blockchain-situated digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Holo is intended to restrict the hole between holochain stage and the end clients. Holochain network is an open-source structure. Holochain, specialized examination. Hot crypto has made it a leader in cutting-edge club arrangements. This cutting-edge innovation has become effective in breaking liberated from the regular systems of exchange on the lookout. Hot, the local token exchanged on different trades by a great many clients around the world, is yet to situate itself in the centralized server of venture commendable monetary standards. Exchanging positively trending markets is in every case simple, so many of them put resources into it, yet additionally ought to ensure about the systems. Likewise, prior to remembering Holo for the venture portfolio, one ought to continuously have done specialized examination and exploration. Holochain innovation impeccably chips away at interpersonal organizations and web clients. It can likewise be utilized to do exchanges and supply chains. The dormancy that at first played for Project Holochain toward the start of the venture is no more there, as the token has acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers and brokers. A habitually and distinctly noticed quality of hot value history is that it has shown the most flighty and fluctuating way of behaving. A few cost varieties verify the ascent of the Holo hot send-off. Starting from the start of 2021, the Holo coin has been exchanging with a bullish force and bull run. After mid-February, the cash began exchanging with huge forward movement and denoted an extreme cost activity. In last April, the hot crypto cost has enlisted another record-breaking high at $0.03157 and the market cap hit near $300 million. Interestingly, the typical cost was $0.007 toward the finish of 2021. Nonetheless, from that point forward, the Holo coin experienced monstrous amendment and plunged to the $0.004 in last July. Then, at that point, the cryptographic money cost of Holo recaptured the high of $0.013. However, it not stayed consistent over this value level and swapping scaled up to $0.007. Notwithstanding, from that point forward, it recaptured lost force and retested the $0.015 mark. Subsequent to hitting $0.015, the hot crypto stamped constant decay till date. However, it figured out how to remain over its urgent help level of $0.045. As of now, the Holo coin cost is exchanging around $0.058. According to the cost figure for the impending week, recapturing its lost momentum is anticipated. Presently, the obstruction level is $0.006367 and support level is $0.0052. As of now, The cost of Holo remains at $0.0044 with a market capitalization of $721,477,682 and an exchanging volume of $54,148,927. The market cap of the coin was speedy, hitting 33% of $1 billion. Despite the fact that it is a late participant on the lookout, it has a crypto resource terminology. The specialists are very hopeful for Holo cost expectation, which are as per the following. Before the year's over, the hot cost might hit $0.006 as indicated by our holochain cost expectation, 2022. In a 5 years time period, Holo, as per Holo cost forecast, it can reach $0.006 or $0.007 in the midst of outrageous bullish pattern. It is anticipated that Holo could expand the reception rate and further develop the correspondence environment. In light of our hot cost expectation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The Holo (HOT) cost visualization for a long-term end is $0.0370. Holo crypto cost expectation given recommends that cost might reach 1 cent in a year. As a large portion of the altcoins are as yet bullish nowadays, it is difficult to say for how long the Holo cost will continue to ascend soon. We accept the coin will continue to acquire steam. The huge development of the whole blockchain industry will reflect in the holochain (HOT) cost, too. As per cost figure, in 2025 it will reach somewhere around $0.028. To be paired with hopeful evangelists and coursing news, on the off chance that we consider that the hot cost will arrive at the moon in the year 2022, and furthermore keeping the creating highlights of hot being not difficult to store and mechanical progression of dispersed web utilization as an ideal conveyed facilitating stage for versatility and capacity related issues, this could drive hot flexibility rate for coming months and increment its valuation to around $0.0085 before the current year's over. Hot kept its energy on the up and up as an extraordinary stage. The previous year could have seen hot drifting around the $0.0005 imprint to exchange digital forms of money. It has supported the digital money market feeling peculiarity definitely. Brokers and financial backers have begun wagering on long-haul exchange for the hot coin development, following it intently. Uplifting expressing that it could leap to about $0.00856 toward the finish of 2022. However, it is the ideal opportunity for interest in holochain, yet prior to financial planning dealers and financial backers ought to appropriately anticipate the gamble the executives. Holochain value expectation 2022. Keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern. There are expectations in crypto space that hot token is ready for a rise as far